Hello students, let us see the sources of history, oral sources of history, collecting and compiling of folk songs and folk tales, etc. You know that folk songs have been passed on from generation to generation orally, and this is important task, classifying, analyzing and interpreting the compiled material. They should be classified in different categories according depending upon the language, depending upon chronology, means language, to which category do they belong to. Analyze them, and interpretation means what? Further information should be made available. Publishing the results of respective research. Research publishing, just as research papers are published in science and other fields, here in this field also, history also, publish the results of respective research. Necessary training. You know that sociology and anthropology, social psychology, mythology and linguistics, library science and information technology. Then fifth one is history and historical research method, writing of research reports and articles. So in these fields, necessary trainings are provided. They are classified into social and anthropology, sociology and anthropology, social psychology, mythology and linguistics, library science and information technology, history and historical research method, writing of research reports and articles. Then let us go ahead towards written sources of history. Collecting coins and copper plates with inscription on them. Inscription means what? Something inscribed on them. Documents like official records. Personal means official records include letters and other information. Personal correspondence and other diaries. Historical books, old books, manuscripts, pictures, photographs, etc. Completing necessary mechanical and chemical process means what? Just as we keep, there are chances of damaging. In order to preserve and protect them, necessary mechanical and chemical process of cleaning for the conservation. They should be clean, and preservation of collected documents. Ascertaining the historical value of collected document. You know that historical documents are valuable. They are more valuable. So assigning the value should be assigned. Exhibiting selected document, exhibitions, conducting exhibitions, publishing edited documents and research reports. That's also a main thing. Necessary training. Let us see here. Knowledge of scripts like Brahmi, Modi, Persian, and their development means this in Brahmi Lipi or Modi Lipi or Persian language and development. That's also essential. Basic knowledge of social organization and traditions, literature and culture, dynasties. Dynasties, you know that Maurya dynasty, Pallava dynasty, Chola dynasty, and different dynasties. That's also very essential. Administrative systems, etc. of past societies. You know that Shivaji Maharaj administrative system. He had best administrative system, Ashtapradhan Mandal. You have learned this in earlier classes also, of past societies. Knowledge of various schools and styles of painting, Gandhara School of Art, and sculptural art and history of their development. Knowledge of types of paper, ink and colors also. Then see what knowledge should have. Knowledge of properties of various stones. You know that stones have different properties. Stones are classified into, you know that igneous stones, rocks, sedimentary, metamorphic, then different types of stones are there. knowledge of properties of various stones and metals used for inscriptions, knowledge of the equipment and chemicals used in various processes of cleaning, conservation and preservation, knowledge of various approaches of managing exhibitions in museum, means galleries and information technology, and writing research reports and articles. These are many important things should be remembering while handling this one, what, written sources. We shall see material sources of material sources of history in the next video.